very less.
Less म्हणजे किती?
Some places have got only 50% occupancy of the hotels till 25th, 26th, and after that there are bookings because of Sunburn. 26th to 30th there are bookings. So Sunburn is a festival which brings in different types of crowd, whether they are youth or whether they are elders or families. They come to Goa for celebration, and this festival is very much required for the economic growth of Goa. Right now, the last 2-3 months we had a very bad season, and this coming week we are expecting crowd in Goa, and 50% crowd comes because of festivals like Sunburn. Hopefully it will be resolved. The Honorable High Court has given directions to remove all the stage and all whatever, and then only the Panchayat to give them license. So hopefully they will remove all those things or go for a review petition, because time is limited. Let us see, but we are waiting positively that there should not be any cancellations of bookings because of various blockages what they are facing, the organizers are facing. I feel that this will be resolved in the next 2 days. By either removing the stage and taking a license, or by going for a review petition in High Court.
Michael, the hoteliers are complaining that the illegal houses like the homestays and all, they are taking away all the businesses, and the hoteliers actually are not getting
See,
any.
homestays, if you are registered with the tourism department as a guest house,
They are not
no
paying any
problem.
taxes.
No, there is no problem. Once you are registered, you have to pay tax.
Yeah.
There are some illegal houses which are illegally doing business of homestays. They have to be cracked down. For that, I think Panchayat, Travel and Tourism Association also, TTAG also should get involved in this, because finally the hotel industry does not get business because of a lot of villas being given out on rent illegally. Parra village Panchayat has cracked down on around 15 villas illegally being given out on rent. You can come and take details from village Panchayat Parra. Notices are being served to around 15 villas to a company who was giving them on rent. Letter was sent to electricity department to disconnect electricity as it is being used for commercial purpose, and nearly for 3 months electricity department was showing a Nelson's eye to the Panchayat. Not be done. You cannot stop a foreign tourist first of all. Only if they are not wearing a helmet you stop them.
But how would you take care now in the next few days? Next 1 week is a busy schedule
No,
for
I'm
in
not talking
coastal
about
areas.
now.
When you talk
have
about
to have
tourists,
permanent solutions to all the problems which are facing this industry. This industry has seriously gone down in Goa. We need to bring the required corrections to be done in this industry. We need to sit and bring corrections.
So would you
We
write
need
to
to-
Chief Minister and
I
Tourism
will
Minister
write.
to include your name?
No. See, it is always included as a coastal
Coastal.
belt MLA. We are all called for meetings. But I am talking about regular
Meetings.
Why how the industry can be improved.
Correct.
How we can sit for meetings and discuss these issues and bring solutions. TTAG is very important in this. GTDC is important, tourism department and all the other officers related to this
Michael,
industry.
what we have been observing is that we all talk about taxes, which is overcharging. Forget that. Right now, in Goa is the most outpriced destination by flight. If you see Delhi, anywhere, Hyderabad, Manali, everywhere, the flight tickets are damn cheap compared to Goa. A flight ticket from Kochi to Kuala Lumpur is 14,000 return, whereas Goa to Kochi and return is 21,000. So
See-
I have what can be done to because the tourists feel that it is waste of money when they have to come to Goa with this kind of tickets.
Most of the foreign tourists plan their vacations well in advance. They get the right price. To tell you the fact, Indian tourists who travel at the last minute, 15 days before, 10 days before, are the tourists who are being overpriced. We are paying higher amount. Foreign tourists will never travel at the last minute. This is always there because we get bookings for Christmas, New Year. We had got bookings somewhere in June. I have 3 hotels, so we know how the bookings come. These days what bookings what we are getting are all of Indian tourists. Foreigners have already booked with us 6 months in advance.
लास्ट टाइम थॉमस कुकाचो इशू जालो तो बंद पडलो तेका एकोमोडेट करपाक
No, Jet Airways have stopped direct flight from
Yeah.
London, Goa, and other countries, and Thomas Cook has stopped. So that gap which is there is not being filled by anybody. So tourists has to come, and they are stranded on the Mumbai airport, international airport, for nearly 6-7 hours to get a connecting flight to Goa. They come at 1 o'clock and there is no flight coming to Goa. Sometimes they reach at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. There is no connecting flight to Goa. They have to wait till 11 o'clock in the morning. So earlier they used to be Jet Airways connecting flight at 6:30. So all those flights have stopped. There are various other reasons.
So is government working out for any solutions?
We have to work out. That's why I'm saying we need to sit and have periodical meetings till this business improves in Goa. For that I will tell our tourism minister Babu Asgaonkar and our tourism director and MD of GTDC and Mr. Sopte also that you start organizing these meetings, 2 meetings in a month to let us find out where we are gone wrong and let us bring this industry back on the track.
Are you supporting Sunburn kind of festivals
See,
around the
I
year?
am not supporting the
Round the year, I'm
company
saying 2-3
or
times
anybody. I support whatever is good for our economy.
No, my question is, should this kind of festivals be held 2-3 times a year for the tourism to grow?
At least twice now, and we can have it in the summer, in April.
Now and when?
April.
April. So twice
That's
in
the
a year.
best time because April most of the children they finish their exams and it's a vacation time in Goa. And April there can be another festival which will also bring a lot of tourists to Goa.
So festivals like Sunburn can be held twice in a year.
It's required. If you are one side you are saying this is a tourist destination, one side you are saying you don't want Sunburn. It's not right. Festivals like Sunburn are welcome into Goa, and they, because 10 o'clock they stop music. 10:05 you will not find Sunburn playing or any other big musical festivals playing. So they go as per exactly Supreme Court guidelines, rules which are framed, monitored by the High Court, monitored by the Sound Committee, everything. So it is required.
स्टेटीकडे खूप ड्यूज असते त्यांचे एव्हरी टाइम
State, I have seen some bills, police charging on 3 shifts. I don't understand 3 shifts of police giving protection for Sunburn. I don't understand this.
दे ओव्हरचार्ज
So 2 shifts I will understand. Anybody in Goa will understand. So the police have given them bills of 3 shifts, which is not accepted. I have checked so many things. Complimentary tickets, every MLA wants, everybody wants. So many people asking complimentary tickets. It's not tickets, it's a complimentary pass to go inside. Supposing I am organizing something, y'all are all my friends, y'all are asking me complimentaries. So I am giving you complimentary bands. Though those people from commercial tax have charged them, whoever is gone inside.
दॅट इज बाय लॉ आता ना ते जीएसटी ना ते
Nah, that's-
सेल्स टॅक्स नसले ते
See, complimentaries cannot be charged as tax.
आता चार्ज करीना ते
Complimentary is
Still
complimentary.
they have
So don't. Somebody is coming to have a festival in Goa. Don't put him in a situation where he has to run away.
So concerned government department त्रासान घातला सर म्हणून.
ओव्हरचार्ज
तसं नाही रे.
तर ओव्हरचार्ज
You cannot just put the bill whatever you want. It's fair enough for 2 security rounds.